Are you ready to spend over $1,400 on your next smartphone? Apple's upcoming September event might present you with that exact decision. The tech giant is preparing to announce the iPhone 18 family, but the company may completely change its traditional launch strategy this year. Instead of releasing every new phone at the same time, reports suggest Apple will put its most expensive, high-end models in the spotlight first. At the center of all this hype is the brand new iPhone 18 Pro Max. The new flagship is expected to feature a noticeable visual redesign. Rumors point toward a fresh rear glass panel, a slightly thicker overall frame, and a deep dark cherry color finish. While a thicker phone might sound like a step backward at first, there is a very good practical reason for it. The additional internal space allows Apple to pack in a battery that is roughly 12% larger. When you combine a bigger battery with a more efficient internal processor, the real-world battery life gains could be massive for heavy gaming, video creation, and daily multitasking. Moving to the front of the device, Apple is finally making long-awaited changes to the screen layout. Reports indicate that the dynamic island will shrink by about 35%. This reduction gives the screen a much cleaner look and brings Apple one step closer to its ultimate goal of a truly all-screen design. A smaller cutout means watching movies and playing mobile games will feel much more immersive than before. Along with the smaller cutout, the front-facing camera is getting a serious hardware bump. Apple is expected to introduce a 24-megapixel center stage camera sensor. This upgrade will make your selfies, video calls, and FaceTime sessions look dramatically sharper. If you create content for social media directly from your phone, this new front camera could end up being one of your favorite day-to-day upgrades. However, the main camera on the back is where the biggest revolution happens. The iPhone 18 Pro Max is rumored to introduce a variable aperture lens on its primary sensor. Aperture controls how much light physically enters the camera lens, and it also shapes the natural background blur in your photos. A variable aperture means your phone can automatically adjust to bright sunlight or dark rooms, acting much more like a dedicated professional camera. You will get cleaner low-light photos, better control over exposure, and natural depth of field without relying entirely on digital portrait modes. Apple is also planning to complement this hardware with a revamped camera app in iOS 27, featuring customizable widgets and draggable shooting controls for a faster workflow. Under the hood, the device will be powered by Apple's next-generation A20 Pro chip. Built on an advanced 2-nanometer manufacturing process, this new silicon focuses heavily on power efficiency and on-device artificial intelligence. Instead of just chasing higher benchmark numbers, the chip processes complex AI tasks, like voice recognition, image editing, and smart assistant replies, directly on your device. This keeps your data private and makes your interactions lightning fast without constantly draining battery power or relying on cloud servers. Another massive feature currently making waves in the tech community is full satellite internet connectivity. While current iPhones only use satellite tech for emergency text messages, this upgrade could allow standard web browsing and data access off the grid. If you travel frequently or live in an area with spotty cell reception, staying connected anywhere on Earth could be a total game changer. Of course, all these premium features come with a serious financial catch. Leaks suggest Apple could raise the starting price of its Pro lineup by as much as $300. That potential jump could push the base model iPhone 18 Pro Max near the $1,400 mark. Paying that much for a standard slab smartphone is a tough pill to swallow, no matter how good the camera is. To make things even more dramatic, Apple is also rumored to unveil its first-ever foldable smartphone, potentially named the iPhone Ultra. This futuristic device opens like a book to reveal a massive 7.8-inch display. Apple has reportedly engineered a new hinge design that renders the inner screen crease virtually invisible. However, to keep the device thin, the foldable phone may drop Face ID in favor of a side-mounted Touch ID sensor, and it might skip the dedicated telephoto lens. With a rumored price tag between $2,000 and $2,500, the iPhone Ultra is clearly meant for extreme tech enthusiasts with deep pockets. Beyond the phones, Apple's event could also showcase new AirPods Ultra with infrared camera tech, a white ceramic Apple Watch Series 12, the Apple Watch Ultra 4, and a brand new smart home hub display. If you liked the video, subscribe, share the video, and hit the bell icon.